Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll review DIZO Watch 2, which is a Realme Tech Life product, and you can see the packaging here, and the specifications are in the side. So it has got 1.69-inch full touch screen size, 15 sports modes, and blood oxygen heart rate monitor, 5 ATM water resistance, 10-day battery life, and 100 plus stylish watch faces. So inside the packaging you get the watch and the user manual and the charging dock. So as you can see, this is the watch. You get the watch faces. And talking about the build and design, the screen size is, as I told before, it is 1.69-inch a full touch screen, and it has got the 2.5D curved glass display, and it is an LCD display. So you get the metal frame, and the straps are quite smooth and it feels good in your hand. And in the side you get the touch button, so you can turn on and off your device. So, and swiping up you get the different features and icons which you can use, and swiping down you get the quick notification of your apps, and if you swipe from left you get the quick toggle of settings which you can use it, like it has got the DND mode, and you can get the other options here. Physical touch button is quite good, and the design is quite impressive. You can see here the straps are detachable. You can interchange the straps with other premium straps that you get here. Here is the lock which you can use it to use different straps. The strap has got the smooth feeling, no problem when you wear it, and no sticking issue with your skin. The weight of the watch is around 52 grams. Talking about the functions, it has got the step counter which is pretty accurate. Like you can, if you swipe here, you can get different settings. You can get the weather, the heart rate, and sleep record also you can get here. It has got 100 plus watch faces which you can get from the DIZO app. The connect with the DIZO app is really easy. You can quickly set it up with your DIZO app. So the company claims that it has got a battery life of 10 days. So, and with normal usage you will get around 7 to 10 days of battery life, and it takes 2 hours of charging time. So yeah, that's pretty good. So, and it has got the basic features, health features, that is SpO2 and heart rate monitor. You can track your sleep, you can do different timer and all. You can change the time, you can get the weather and all. It has got 15 sports mode, as I said before. If you go to this icon, you can see here you have got the cricket, badminton, football, outdoor run or indoor run. You can just, whenever you are doing any exercise, you can just turn on any of these exercise and you can do it. So the brightness of the screen, it has got around 600 nits, so it's quite visible in normal sunlight. When you swipe down to see the app notification, here you can only read and delete the notifications, but you cannot read it. You can change the menu style by going into settings, and in these settings you get the watch faces, screen time, and menu style. As you can see, you can change to 9 grids or list style. If I turn on the list style, you can see it becomes a long list, and if I change it again to 9 grids, it again turns to grid. So this is quite handy. I didn't feel any UI lags or stutters while interacting with the screen, and at this price range it's quite good, and you get all the basic features and you can use it quite nicely. You can also get the music control. If you swipe right and to the last, you get the music control. You can play, pause, change the music volume up, or you can do the volume down. But one thing is that you cannot see the song name, and all the basic functions, all the exercise modes you can get here. Overall look and feel of the smartwatch is quite good, and it's modern, and the UI also doesn't feel really bad. It really impressive, And if you want to change the watch faces, you can go to settings and you can go to watch face, and inside the watch you can get only 5 watch faces. By going into DIZO app, you get tons and tons of watch faces which you can use it. At this price range, I think this is quite a impressive device. And in this price range you get all the basic features that are required in the day-to-day life for fitness. So backside you get the charging dock. As you can see, here is the charging cable. You get the magnetic dot, you can just plug it here and you can charge your device. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome content.